Hello, this is Sarah. I want to explain the question number 3 of homework number 1. Based on the information that I have in this question, I have defined two events that are sending event, which is the sending of the signal, and receiving event. And from the question, we know that the probability of sending a zero signal is 0.6. And obviously, the probability of sending one signal is the complement of that, so it is 0.4. And then we have these conditional probabilities in the question 2, that the probability of receiving a zero signal given sending a zero signal is 0.7. So again, obviously, the probability of receiving a one signal given sending a zero signal is 1 minus 0.7, and it is 0.3. And we have this for the uh, other part, which is sending a one signal. So the probability of receiving a one signal given sending a one signal is 0.8, and the probability of receiving a zero signal given sending a one signal is 1 minus 0.8, and then it is 0.2. And okay, let's go to the first part. We are asked about the probability of receiving a zero signal. From the total probability and Bayes theorem, we know that we can write this probability as probability of uh, receiving a zero signal multiplied by the set of the complete events of sending a signal, which is both sending a zero signal and sending a one signal. So we can write this probability by these conditional probabilities. And because, as I explained, sending a zero and sending a one signal are complements of each other, so we can easily write this like that the probability of receiving a zero signal given sending a zero signal multiplied by the probability of sending a zero signal plus probability of receiving a zero signal given given sending a one signal multiplied by the probability of sending a one signal. And easily we can calculate this because we have all these probabilities in the question and everything is fine. Let's go to the second part of this question. In the second part, we are asked to say the probability of error. What is the meaning of error? Error means that you are receiving a zero signal, but you had sent the one signal. And we can have this the other side, the probability of receiving a one signal, but you have sent the zero signal. So we can sum these two parts and we can get to the probability of error. And thank you.